I am Yasmin from Layla's Kitchen. I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to show you some recipes. They are really nice, and all of them they can make a really nice complete meal. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to make you Musakaa rice and tabbouleh salad. This is Egyptian Middle Eastern kind of meal, so I hope you enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much for watching. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make rice. So this is just plain basmati rice. So here I'm going to make the rice. First of all, I need to talk about the rice. Here we have 3 cups of basmati rice. And you need to wash the rice until you have the water nice and clear like this. You have to wash it very well. It takes about maybe 10 washes. So the water needs to be clear like this, alright? And we have here the pan, and we have some olive oil. So first of all, I'm going to drain the rice, and I have boiled some water as well. So we need to have to be prepared before we start making the rice. So here I have drained rice from the water, okay, and now we will start cooking the rice. Here in the pan, high heat, I'm going to use some olive oil. You can use any oil you have. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Oil is hot, we'll start putting the rice. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. About 1.5 tablespoons of salt. This is a very important step. You need to mix the rice with the oil very well. Now I have boiling water, and I'm going to use the same cup I have used for measurements. So these are 3 cups of rice. 1, 2, 3, and about 3/4. Sorry, not 3/4. Yes, I think 3/4. And now I'm going to put the heat on low and just leave it to cook for now. Here the rice has absorbed most of the water, so I'm going to cover it with some parchment paper. Put the lid back on. For musakaa, I'm going to use a tagine clay pot. So this is I've got from Egypt, so I think you can find them in Amazon or in any shops, I think, that sells kitchen stuff. So I'm going to make moussaka in here. It gives a really nice flavor. Okay, if you don't have this one, you can use any like oven pan you have in the house. So before I start preparing for moussaka, I've put the oven on the highest temperature, and I'm going to put this in the oven empty because we need it to get ready, because it takes time to until it becomes hot. So I need to put this empty in the oven before I start preparing moussaka.